My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious file, the malware called TmrCrypt0r. Basically, this is a ransomware, and this ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. TmrCrypt0r, as a ransomware, encrypts the data and appends a special extension to the file names. Well, of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. However, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this TmrCrypt0r ransomware may be easily injected into the files. Very soon you see these sudden pop-ups titled as error and indicating that you have become a victim of the TmrCrypt0r ransomware. The ransomware is called like that because it appends a special extension like that, TmrCrypt0r. So when you try to open this specific file, you see this sudden pop-up window instead. The ransomware then tells its victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So then when you click on Start Scan button, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the system, but first of all, it will update its anti-malware database. So, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove this ransomware to protect the files from ransomware attacks, but this feature does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would help you to decrypt files, in fact. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their location. Consider premium license. You may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate its features. And finally, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.